COVID-19 has taken its toll on America's fire departments. In March of 2020, as the pandemic was sweeping across the United States, professional sports shut down, restaurants closed their doors, businesses moved their entire workforce over to working remotely, but first responders like doctors and nurses kept showing up to work and serving the public. Early on, inadequate supplies of personal protective equipment, PPE, including masks and gloves, and insufficient testing capabilities prevented first responders from being able to effectively protect themselves. Many departments were already struggling before the pandemic, but as the pandemic wreaked havoc on the economy, especially for small businesses, stations have been forced to cut budgets even further. Departments rely on sales tax as an income stream, and with unemployment rates skyrocketing and less people shopping, less money is coming in for local governments. According to a survey conducted by the International Association of Fire Chiefs, IAFC, almost 1,000 layoffs and furloughs of fire department employees, including frontline firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics, have already taken place. The same firefighters the country considered essential in battling COVID-19 are suddenly told they're no longer needed, said IAFC President Gary Ludwig. It's clear these cuts will be deep and long-standing. IAFC predicts that fire departments will see over $3 billion lost due to declining tax revenues, while nearly 30,000 firefighters will be without jobs by the end of 2021. These numbers are only estimates, but local governments are having to prepare themselves for the unknown, while understaffed departments are trying to keep up with the increased workloads due to high call volumes. While state-run fire departments are facing budget cuts, many volunteer departments will likely be forced to close. Volunteer departments rely heavily on donations from the public to operate, but they are seeing very little income now due to high unemployment. Now, more than ever before, Americans must be motivated to stand up and support their local fire departments and the first responders that are out there risking their health and the health of their families during this pandemic.